Okay. So, as you mentioned, AI in picture. So, I would like to know how AI has, made a shift in hiring process. AI as a tool also, and then AI in demand also.
So tell you one thing very honestly, we used to say product companies hire better technical
Hmm.
developers, right, than from service industry, right?
True.
That gap has reduced by a lot
Okay.
because of this AI thing, right? Because now everybody wants people who can do 2 to 3 people job, right? People are specialized into 2 to 3 technologies now, right? If you remember in 2020, 2021, a mon stack or a mean stack was rare thing to
Yes, yes,
rare
yes.
rarest things, right? Now it is the most common thing, right? And if you have not done, if you are not good into at least 3 technologies, then you are not fit for the market. That is how market
Okay.
sees you, right? That is how companies are interviewing also.
Full stack means all the tech.
Yes, and that is something that we used to discuss for US based company. US हम बोलते थे एक ही बंदे में सब कुछ चाहिए क्या, अब यहाँ भी चाहिए,
Okay.
राइट? यूएस में यही होता था, 4 टेक्स्ट लेके आ जाते थे, बोलते थे कि यार ये सब दो, हम बोलते थे यार ये तो एक में नहीं मिलेगा, अब मिलता है.
Okay.
And that is where I think the paradigm has shift. I think the industry has grown. People also get, it's more exposure. It's not AI. It's more exposure towards every front, right? A person can do 2 people job through AI, right? He understands better. He can do his job better. So now, if he knows better, then he'll be able to deliver 2 to 3 people job by just using that AI and everything, right? So that is the shift that we are seeing. People are very technical side, data algorithms, data structure. That is where the most clients are focusing. They think if a person is able to understand the problem, solve that problem, then that person can do everything, because coding has become second.
Okay, so it's not just about coding.
Yes, it's not anymore. They need smart people, people who have good communication skill sets. That is there also, right? But the number has grown. I think people in India are also aware about this, and the developers cross industry has grown, right? And there are new areas also, right? If you ask me 5 years ago, we didn't even ask any data guy. We don't, even if we get a data profile, right, we'll not be able to place that person. Now that is the demand. It's COVID demand, right? A person who's in 29-30 lakh package would get a 50-55 lakh package. That is going in data. That is the demand here.
Okay. So we just discussed about कि AI के आने से डिमांड में क्या चेंज आया है. I would like to know कि AI के आने से आपके हायरिंग प्रोसेस में क्या चेंज आया है. It is better, faster or what?
See, it changes in every front, right? आप एक चीज चेंज नहीं करते, आप सब कुछ चेंज करते हो, राइट? सो क्या हुआ कि जब AI के टूल्स है, हायरिंग के टूल्स है, AI हायरिंग आ रहा है, AI इंटरव्यूअर आ रहा है, AI से you can check if a person is cheating or not, right? Through AI you can check if a person has opened some other tab. You can get a detailed feedback what how a person is giving his interview, his emotions, his everything, right? So there are a lot of things that have changed, right? But that implementation is not yet done 100%, right?
Okay.
It's still in changing phase, right? I think in next couple of years this would mature enough for 100% usable scenario, right? Right now it's like 50-50%, hit or miss, right? There are disputable cases. We also dispute in certain cases, but it is maturing. We have seen from last year to last year the results have increased drastically. It's not yet there to be 100% we can trust on it, right? But it's become considerable, right? And I think within a year or two, if they have enough data, this would be the next thing that you can trust 100%. If you can trust a process 100% without human intervention, then it's a proper AI system enabled system, right? Then that is, I think it's not far. I think by 2027 we'll be in era where interviews could be done through a proper AI platform.
So do you think like recruiter's job is at risk?
No, I don't think so, because when you say a good recruiter, right, it's a gut feeling how and the person has to join the client or the company, right? That cannot be done through AI, right? That is the personal touch, and I think we Indians crave for personal touch, right? And that would remain.
It's global. The personal touch is
Correct,
global.
correct, right? So what we see is it's not, again, the quality would grow, right? You cannot be an average person dealing with an AI, right? You have to understand its pro, its cons. You have to know how to navigate through that tool, right? How to operate. So the means would change, but a recruiter's job would not go, because at the end you cannot blame an AI for not joining
Mhm.
a client or a call, right? That has to be a person, that has to be through a person, and somebody has to take responsibility of the role that is assigned, right?
So it is a no, not a good use case कि आपको blame करने के लिए human चाहिए.
I'm not saying blame, but again the point is somebody has to be responsible, right? For a
हाँ.
particular task, somebody has to be responsible. So if somebody doesn't join, then that is a failed case scenario. You cannot do anything about it. But a human has always chance to improve from there, right? AI would not improve overnight. A person can, right? A person can feel, okay, this is what was wrong, and for the next thing he will improve and make sure that the person joins the office, or maybe that person who didn't join,
Persuasion and convincing,
correct, or the person
definitely.
that who didn't join also might join again. That happened with us also. There are people who declined our offers after a month. If you have felt that okay, that was the wrong decision, I can reach back to my recruiter and join that company again, they have joined those companies again, right? So that communication is very important. You cannot take out communication from an interview. AI cannot do that communication for you. That he can judge a person right wrong, but communication, transferring those value, transferring that culture has to go through the recruiter itself.
So it could be said like, we need to be smarter than know how to use AI for our good, and definitely we have more important job roles to play which AI cannot simply right now.
Correct. I think it would never. AI can it can make your job easy, right? It cannot do your job. So there are certain jobs that AI can do, but I think recruitment is not one of them. Recruitment, you need a person, with ownership, who understands the job requirement and can transfer those values to the person who is
Over communication.
overcoming, right? So that needs to be done.